everyone, it's Chloe here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to, once again, another declutter video. I do too many of these on a regular basis. I honestly need to start doing a playlist of me decluttering things because your girl has too much shit. So basically today's video is going to be me decluttering all of my clothes. Once again, I do have a couple of these on my channel. I'll link them all down below. I'll probably make a playlist so it's a lot easier for you guys, but I keep saying this in every video. I am kindly gifted like 80% of my clothes recently. Majority of my clothing items are gifted to me, which I'm very, very excited for and I'm very grateful for, but sometimes it's just too much. So I'm going to go through them all again. I'm going to go through my wardrobe, my drawers, everything, because there's a bunch of clothes on my vanity over there and like there's no room for them because I need to just make some room, which is great. A few things before I start this video. I'm not wearing any makeup. I don't look presentable because it's actually getting a lot warmer here, hence why the window is open. So if you can hear like birds, people doing gardening or whatever they do on a Wednesday evening, that is why, because the window's open. So I'm sorry, the birds clearly love it, but I'm gonna jump right into this because there's a lot of stuff I need to go through. Now I think I'm gonna do a lot of declutter. Like I'm not gonna be iffy about it because I need to get rid of shit. So if you want to know what happened in this video and how much I actually declutter, just keep on watching. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Wardrobe. Welcome. If you've been through these videos before, you guys know the drill of how I do this. I do my wardrobe first, then my drawers. I have my wardrobe, my 6 drawers, and my 4 drawers under my bed. Okay, first of all, I know I have a lot of clothes. I do understand that. But again, companies reach out to me and I do haul videos and I just buy a lot of things. Oh, Dad's here. Hey, Dad. Okay. Anyway, my room's gonna be a mess, okay? I'm spending all day doing this, so don't judge me, okay? Thank you. Yeah, Dad is outside my window doing something, so if you can hear that, that's him. Oh, that's nice, thank you. Cupboards, let's get to it. Welcome to my wardrobe. I can tell you right now, this is gonna break in literally like a week. I need to get rid of some stuff because your girl has way too much shit. Okay, don't need your commentary on this video. If you watch my videos, you know that this is all jackets. Then it's like jumpers, dresses, rompers, 2-pieces, and like thicker jackets over here. So I don't know how to react. I don't know what to do. Like this is like so overwhelming. I have to think because I've been in lockdown for like, I don't know, 6 months, whatever. And I haven't been able to wear any of these clothes out. But now I'm kind of like slightly getting out of lockdown. I have about a week and a half still left for me anyway because I'm in regional. I have to think if I'm literally gonna wear these out, like when I can actually go see friends and stuff. Like, am I gonna wear this? Fun. Ignoring this, I'm sorry, but like this is the only camera angle I can get. This yellow jacket is from Pretty Little Thing. I'm gonna keep it because hello. Also, I do want to classify, that's not the right word. I do want to say that I'm planning on doing a lookbook, a plus size lookbook. It's coming. You've been telling me to do this since I've been doing hauls. I know it's my most requested video ever. I'm planning on doing a lookbook of monochrome outfits, like full yellow, full orange, red, whatever. So I'm just like thinking in advance of what I can actually keep to do that video. So I'm probably going to show this in a video. I do wear this, so I'm going to keep this. I don't need so many denim jackets because I rarely wear denim jackets. I really do prefer cropped denim jackets. I have a weird feeling about long denim jackets. I don't know, it's an off-putting feeling for me. If it comes to like here, I'm good. But like past the hips, I just feel like it's not flattering for me and my body type. So like I kind of pass on them. But I do have a couple in here that I need to go through and like actually declutter. So this one, see, this is cute, okay, but it's long. But the thing is, I think I can chop this, and because it's so distressed, it will look good. So I think I'm gonna keep this to actually chop it and like make it cropped. This is from Pretty Little Thing, if you're wondering. This one I'm gonna get rid of. I've had this for a while, but this is from Target, if anyone's wondering. This is like a fleecy material. I do like this, but I've like worn it like twice. I just don't really wear it. It's going. When I mean going, I mean I'm donating it. I have a hanger. That's fun. Where do I put this? So this is pretty much similar to that one, but it's black, but it's cropped, and I wear this so often. I think I prefer darker denim jackets than blue ones because I wear a lot of blue jeans. I think that's why, because I usually always wear like double denim. Love the look of denim. I freaking love it, okay? But when I wear blue jeans and a long blue denim jacket, it just looks off for me, so I just like don't wear it. So I'm going to keep this because I do wear this. I'm also going to keep this beauty because again it is cropped. See how it's cropped? Do you see a theme here? This is from Cotton On. I haven't yet to wear this because again I haven't been able to leave my house, but I will wear this. But isn't it pretty? Look how sick this is. I love it. Okay, next. And then this is also a cropped denim jacket. Woo! This is from ASOS, I believe. So I do have a blue one, I'm pretty sure, which is right here. So this is a cropped blue one in some Pretty Little Things. So I'm going to keep both of these because these are just like staple pieces that I can wear with anything. That's basically my jacket. I do have a couple more jackets underneath my wardrobe, so I'll have to go through them because I need to deep clean this shit. Oh my god. Okay. This is my leather jacket from last year. I haven't worn this out because again it is spring. It's getting a lot warmer here. So realistically I don't think I'm going to be wearing a leather jacket anytime soon, but I'm going to keep this because I will wear this, especially in the winter with like a turtleneck. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is the problem. I like this, but I don't wear it and I want to get rid of it. But the thing is, if I do my monochromatic video like I was mentioning, I don't have anything pink. Okay, I'm going to get rid of it because I think I'm going to be doing a Fashion Nova order soon, so I'll just get something pink from them. That's from Fashion Nova, by the way. It's from a two-piece set, but I got rid of the skirt a while ago. This is also from a two-piece set from Fashion Nova. I like this. I'm going to keep it because it reminds me of my football team, and if we can go to games, I wear this. So I should have worn this for the grand final, dang it. And then now we're on to jumpers, I guess. With my jumpers, like my hoodies, they're obviously very long and I fold them up to make them look cropped. So like obviously this is cropped, so I would just fold it up to like here to make it cropped more. So most of these I will probably keep. Great, that's not fun, isn't it? I've only gotten rid of 2 things. So these are all my Make Sure Your Friends Are Okay merch. I'm gonna keep these because I love them so much. I'm gonna keep my all body crop jumpers. Emma, I love you. I'm also gonna keep my Lewis. I think I'm gonna put this in another drawer though. So I'm gonna keep this, but I'm gonna put it in a different area. This is my Nasty Gal eye roll top that I recently hauled. The birds clearly like it. I don't wear this enough to keep it. This is my Nike jumper. I got this from ASOS if anyone's wondering. I'm going to give this to a friend. As much as I love it, don't wear it enough. Same with this jumper. I don't wear this enough. I generally do not wear these items. I have to think if I'm going to wear them or not. So usually with these declutters, I usually think if I've worn them in the last 6 to 9 months, but I haven't left my house in 6 to 9 months. So realistically now I have to think about if I'm going to wear it outside of lockdown. That's the question I'm going to have to ask myself. Oh, there's a random shirt here. This is my like bedazzled Fashion Nova top that I'm going to keep. I just don't like to fold this because I know the jewels are probably going to fall off if I keep folding it and unfolding it, so I do hang this up. From here onwards is rompers and jumpsuits. See, this is a bit tight. I'm going to keep this because I have worn it like once, but like I haven't worn it for a long period of time, so I'm going to see if it fits me a bit better. Now my rompers, I do know there's one I don't want, so this one I don't wear as often as I want to. This is from Big W, so I'm just going to get rid of this one because I haven't worn this and I've worn the other ones more than I have this one, if that makes sense. But the other two I'm going to keep the polka dot one and the recent one I got from Rose Gal. Can this door stay there, thank you? So I have 2 jumpsuits. I have my overalls, which I wear constantly, and then I have this denim jumpsuit that Annalisa picked for me for a video, and I haven't worn it yet, but I think I'm gonna wear it for that monochrome video because it's obviously all blue. I'm gonna keep this because I felt really good in this, so I'm gonna keep it. Moving along, we have 2 pieces. Now most of the time I keep my 2 pieces in a drawer, but these are like my more heavier 2 pieces, and I have more 2 pieces over there. This is my leopard skin, absolutely not, this is my snake skin 2-piece Fashion Nova set I'm gonna keep, and then I have my suit. This shit is so pretty. I do have to alter the pants though, but I'm keeping this, thank you very much. And I'm also gonna be keeping my tie-dye Nasty Gal set as well. Like all these I do wear, like I realistically do wear all these, and I'm just like, eee! Like I need to get rid of some stuff, but like I know for a fact I'm gonna wear them. That's the problem with me, so that's fun. We have dresses. These are 3 dresses. I definitely could obviously just put these in my dress drawer, like these don't have to be hung up. The first one I'm going to keep is my black dress. Then I have this one from Cotton On. The black one's from Fashion Nova, by the way. This one I haven't worn. This one kind of gives me weird vibes. This is from Cotton On. I just feel like it's good for summer, but like it doesn't really look good on me. So I am going to give this away because I don't actually wear it. I'm going to take these out of my cupboard, but I'm going to keep these, just put it in a different area. This dress is a black dress. I'm going to keep this because I wear it to funerals. This, as much as I love this, I'm going to get rid of it because it's too big. I love this. This is from the Little Mix Pretty Little Thing collection. You can't get it anymore, unfortunately, and like I can't really alter it in any way, so I'm going to get rid of this. Now, it's missing a button, I'm pretty sure. This empty hanger is for my cardigan, which is on the floor somewhere, so I'll keep that. And then my white cardigan as well. And then that That was rude. And then I have these two big fluffy jacket things. This is the jacket I'm going to keep. This is from Big W. Everyone keeps asking. But I am going to get rid of this jumper. This is from Benson. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't worn it in a while, so I'm going to get rid of this. Like, I just know for a fact that I'm not going to wear them. You know what I mean? That's basically the wardrobe hanging portion done. We got rid of some stuff. So basically on the floor, I have like these cubes, which you can't see, full of Richmond stuff, which is my football team. I'm pretty sure there's some denim jackets down there as well. So I'm going to quickly go through that and see if there's anything besides Richmond stuff. If there isn't, it's fine. We'll move on. But I do want to check, you know. In this one cube, the only thing that isn't Richmond is this. Now, this was my mum's, and I'm definitely going to ask her if she wants it, but I'm not going to keep it because I haven't actually worn it. Literally, the last time I wore that was when I had purple hair for a photo shoot. I'll insert some photos. Ebony came over and fixed my hair. I did a photo shoot with that jacket and took it off immediately. That was the last time I wore it. So realistically, I haven't worn it in like a good 2 years. So that's going. Are these Richmond as well? Why do I have so many Richmond stuff? I have a bunch of Richmond clothes down there, which I need to actually put my other Richmond stuff in there because obviously the season's finished. Anyways, that is the end of this portion for now anyway. So now I have to get on to the drawers, which I'm so excited about, clearly. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to try and turn you around to show you my drawers. Welcome to this part of my room. Basically, I have 6 drawers here. One is like underwear and stuff, which you can't even see. This is underwear and this is all my gym stuff. I'm going to go through my gym clothes because there's just too much stuff here. I want to cut this down at least halfway, but I don't know how I'm going to do that. I'm going to get rid of these 2 leggings. These are just ride down too much, like they're just too low for me, and I just don't really need this pair. So I just really like these 2 pairs, honestly, so I'm going to keep these 2 pairs. I need to fold that properly. Ew, what is that? These are t-shirts, which I don't need, so I'm going to get rid of these. These are 2 sports bras, which I will keep. This is all my jazz hand collection. I don't know, the sports bra doesn't even fit me. I spent so much money on this, oh my god. The tank top I'll keep, because the tank top's nice. Actually, I might keep the shorts, because I don't have any shorts in my collection. Okay, and then these are like long sleeve t-shirts. I'm going to keep the black one, get rid of the purple one. This is the jacket. Now, do I keep the jacket? No, I'm going to get rid of the jacket. I have very small amounts of gym clothes now. Hopefully I can get this to half and I can fill the other half with other clothes. I don't know. That's that now. This is tops, this drawer here. Now this drawer, jam-packed, as you can probably tell. I have to refold everything. Like, I've just chucked in new tops that I haven't even worn yet. I'm gonna put the things I'm keeping up here and just chuck the other ones. So I'm gonna keep this because this is really brand new. That's also brand new. That's brand new. I'm gonna get rid of this. I am going to get rid of this. What is this? There's just so much stuff that I don't wear anymore that I just need to get rid of. Like, there's just no in between. What is this? Oh, it's a little crop top. Okay, I'm gonna keep that. I'm also gonna keep that. I have to refold all of this. Okay, so cool. I think we've cut it down a little bit. There is some room still in here. It looks like there's a lot still here, but there's actually a lot gone, and I need some room for more clothes that are on my desk. Next one is dresses. My battery's gonna die, so that's fun. But I'm gonna quickly do this, and then I'm gonna charge my battery. So I'm going to literally pick them out and just chuck them. I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm wearing this to my birthday in 2 days, so I gotta keep that. We're getting somewhere. I'm just gonna fold up the dresses from the wardrobe and put them in as well. I might actually put my rompers in here if I have enough room as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly charge my battery, but I'm going to get the rompers from my wardrobe and put them in here with the dresses because they're pretty similar. This is the state of my floor. I just had to like walk over this and like squeeze my fat ass through my door. It was not fun. I'm going to quickly put some of these in bags so I can have some room to walk. Like, I know for a fact that I'm going to use like 12 of these bags because this declutter is one of my biggest declutters ever. Drawer I have to do is bodysuits. If you know me, you know I love bodysuits, so like this will be fun. So I'm gonna get a bag out. I know I'm probably not gonna get rid of a lot of these, but it's a thought that counts, like, you know. Let's get into it, eh? We got one. There's just so many to decide from. It's fine, we can figure it out. Oh, gotta keep that. That's a turtleneck. Hello, I love turtlenecks. I got rid of a few, not gonna lie. I haven't bought a bodysuit in a while. Maybe I should. I love the fact that I'm decluttering and I'm thinking of buying more. So I've laid these more flat. Realistically, it's a lot easier for me to pick and choose like what I wear. Usually I know what my bodysuits look like, so it's not like a major deal, but I do want to have like the ability to see what they look like, I guess. It looks full, but like they're spread out, so even if I do get more, I can squish it together, so it's okay. These are my two pieces. I have a lot more on my desk that I need to get rid of, but I need to actually go through these and get rid of them. So these are my two pieces now. I have a lot more like on my desk to put in, but that is all my drawers done. Not bad, not bad. Hello. So if you're new, this is my double bed and I have 4 drawers, 2 on this side, 2 on the other, that I have clothes in. I think those 2 have like not that much in, so I don't have to go through them. But this is my pants drawer. I need to get rid of some because like I don't actually wear pants that often, which is really weird, but I always complain I have no pants, so it's like I don't know how that works. Anyway, so this is skirts as well as pants. I have to refold like all of these. I'm gonna keep these because these are the bike shorts I wear under my skirts, and I always obviously wear these, so I'm gonna keep these. And I'm going to keep all of these skirts because I haven't worn them yet. Oh my god, my shorts, I forgot I had these. These are like my only pair of shorts I own. I'm just gonna quickly go through these because I know for a fact that I'm gonna probably keep most of these. Like this is all pants, and like I can't even get to these because like this is stuck, but I never wear them, but I always complain I have no pants. Like I don't get myself sometimes. So I'm gonna obviously put the ones I'm keeping up here. These are too big for me now. I wanted to bleach one side of these black jeans white, so now I'm just gonna obviously just try and like fold these jeans so they don't get stuck, because I know for a fact they're gonna get stuck on everything. There we go. So I have all my jeans, cargo pants, everything there. Hello. And these are my skirts, shorts, like my flowy pants are back there. So that's that drawer done. What I'm going to do now, I'm pretty sure that's actually everything is done. This drawer just has bathing suits and PJs. There's nothing really I need to get rid of there anyway. But I need to go through everything on my drawer area, whatever, and put all that away. Then I'll do an overview of everything. I've gotten rid of like a lot of shit, so I'm actually really happy with myself. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna quickly like fix everything up, and then I'll show you an overview of what everything looks like. Hey guys, just a very quick break because I just had lunch, but I just finished everything pretty much, and I'm going to show you an overview with my phone. It's just a lot easier to show you with my phone rather than like a massive tripod and a camera. So okay, so starting with this drawer, I just finished it. This is my PJ drawer. Over here is just my bathers, but then from then on is all my t-shirts and like pajamas and stuff like that I wear to bed. And this one you already saw, obviously. This is my bottoms drawer, so I have all my pants here, and then from here over is all my skirts, and behind them is a little bit of pants as well, but that is my bottoms drawer. So moving along to my IKEA drawers, this one is bras, socks, underwear, all that jazz. This one here is a bodysuit. This one here is 2-piece sets. I do have some room for one more, so love that for me. The dog barking, I'm so sorry. Moving on to this side, I have my gym stuff, which is basically empty, so I can put some stuff here as well. Moving on is my t-shirt drawer. It looks packed, but there is a lot less than there was. And then this last drawer is my dresses and my rompers. Now I have to move all this shit to show you guys my wardrobe. So it looks pretty much the exact same, but I did take quite a few things out of this to donate or just to change up the area. So I do have a little bit more room, but as you can kind of see, the bar is a little bit bending. I'm just gonna try and leave it as it is. That is that, and then I have a couple things down there which I'll go through later on, but that's just more like Richmond stuff, which you guys really don't really care about. But that is the wardrobe, and that is pretty much it. So guys, that is the end of another declutter with me. This is probably my biggest declutter yet, because I have 3 huge garbage bags outside my door full of clothes to be donated. I don't think I've had a declutter like with just 3 bags. Usually it's like 1 or 2 bags, but like this one was 3. Like this is insane. I hope you guys enjoyed this declutter video, and I hope you guys enjoyed me going through my stuff once again, because I have way too many things. Definitely keep a lookout for some more of these, because every time I get a haul video from a company or I just buy clothes, I do like to replace the old items I have with the new ones, so I don't like get backtracked with everything like I have done the past couple days with these clothes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me. If you're new here, please subscribe. I make 2 videos a week for you guys every Monday and Thursday. All my social media links and all the other declutter videos will be linked down below like always. Remember to spread love and stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone.